Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 30th video in this series. It means that we have already discussed reading hacks, tips and tricks to solve or crack PTE reading, especially reorder paragraphs. And you can visit the link in the description to watch the other videos in this series. So let's get started. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now, in this series, we discuss the reading hacks so that you can achieve your target score, whether your target score is 79 plus, 65 plus or 58 plus. I want you to achieve this in first attempt. There is no point of wasting money on real papers when you are not getting your target scores. You need to know the strategies and tricks. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos almost on a daily basis. So this is the real PT reading scoring, and students often think that reading module contributes 90 marks. The answer is no. Reading module just contributes 47 marks. Out of that, reorders are of 6 marks, which is today's topic. So if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 2 marks each. You have to solve your reorder paragraphs within 2 minutes, and in that you have to first skim it, then you have to read the content, then you have to arrange the pairs, and then you have to proofread or confirm the pairs. All of this has to be done within 2 minutes. Okay, and this is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that first thing which we do is we do skimming for finding independent line, and if we are able to find concluding line, it's well and good. And for finding independent line, we use a process of elimination, which I say it's your best friend forever, because in PT reading, we use process of elimination a lot. So now let's find the independent line. If you have attended our lectures, you know there are certain tips, strategies which we use to find if a line is an independent one or not. So to be a good listener, you must learn to focus and concentrate on the main points of the lecture. So over here, the lecture, if something is coming with the, it means that it has been already talked about. So we are going to eliminate this line. This cannot be your independent line. Your main job in taking lecture notes is to be a good listener. Okay, so yes, seems like independent line, but sometimes students say so that you have told that pronouns cannot be independent line, but this over here it seems like it can be independent line. Let's see this. Let's keep it and let's put a asterisk or a star over it. Now moving on to the third option, get them down. What it means that something would have been already been described and it is in plural form. Okay, get them down means something in plural has been already being defined, and then later reorganize them. Same them is referred over here, so something in plural would have come already, so this cannot be your independent line, so we are eliminating this one also. Once you have done this, what you have done, something would have been already mentioned over there, so that's why it cannot be your independent line also. So we are just left with one independent line. We are going to drag this and we are going to put it over here. So what's our independent line now? Your main job in taking lecture notes is to be a good listener. Okay, now we have SO strategy, we have TO strategy. SO strategy is subject object strategy, which states that subject of one line might be the object of other line and vice versa. And TO strategy is topic order strategy, that we will be talking about one topic and then only we will be talking about the next topic. So these are the strategies which we teach to our students in detail. So to be a good listener, you must learn to focus and concentrate on the main points of lecture. Okay, so over here you are being talked about a listener. Okay, and here lecture is also introduced. So depending upon our SO strategy and TO strategy, we know that once you have mentioned your main job in taking lectures, So the next one is going to be a good listener, because we are talking about listeners. So the object of this would be subject of this. Okay, you must learn to focus and concentrate on the main points of lecture. So that's how it is associated. Now we have to see, remember I told you something over here is plural and this over here is singular. So what is plural in this line, or in this line, what is plural or singular? Okay, to be good listener, you must learn to focus and concentrate on the main points. Okay, and your main job is taking lecture notes. So lecture notes is your plural thing which is being mentioned over here. Get lecture notes down and later reorganize lecture notes in your own words. Okay, so this makes sense also, right? Or you can say main points also. Get main points down and then reorganize main points in your own words. So this is the plural thing which makes sense. So that's why we are going to put this over here, and now we are just left with one, and it will be coming in the end. But still, is there any logical connection between them? Yes, there is. Let's see that. Now once you have noted them and reorganized them in your own words, okay, so this is the singular process we are talking about. Remember, we are talking about plural over here. So this was plural and this is singular. Okay, so what you have done, once you have noted the main points and then you have reorganized, you have set the stage for successful reviewing and revising. So that's how they are linked. So we are going to put them over here, and this is the order which we have set. So let's see if that is correct or not. Yes, that is correct one. And the strategies which we teach to our students is finding independent line, BS strategy, CO strategy, chronological order strategy, connectors, TO rule, topical order rule, which we have seen its implementation today, and then AB rule, which is abbreviation rule, SO strategy, which is subject object strategy. We have seen its usage also, and last sentence rules, how to find last sentences. So from these pool of strategies today, we have seen three strategies working for us. One is finding independent line, second one is topical order rule, and third one is subject object strategy. And remember, you just have 2 minutes to solve your reading filling the blanks in first 30 to 60 seconds. You have to skim the content, then you have to find an independent line, then you have to find conclusion line if possible. This one is always optional, but you have to find an independent line using your process of elimination. And in next 30 to 60 seconds, you can look for clues, you can find pointers, and then make pairs. And all the strategies which we teach to our students are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see the scores of our students, and these are some recent success stories where students have scored 90 overall also. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. Do not hesitate to WhatsApp us if you want to take online coaching or if you have any doubts or questions in PTE. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we post such informative videos on a daily basis. We give wings to your dreams.